Hello, 101.5 FM.
Yani honorable say sibe entwi be hyase na no pe KMA boss. Ni ate say KMA hyase some allocate stores. E dia mo a na omo stores so old KGTia ansana ye be bubu nasi ni foforo. Honorable machi o.
Pacho ma doso.
Anopa me gidi say ahoden ni bibia nso nam na kwan mu.
Yes. Oma.
Eda ihu ase. Na process da be na hyase na so far we be ka say how far na me ekoyi.
Well, the kano na fa akonya we say so na machia wachifu na mada munyina amase because a journey of 1 mile begin with a step. Na fa KGTia jumedia babeto yina yeso no kwini se ye ka say ye share ase every baby a ifiri idea ba bedu se dia ekwa no wa dise bia ka meti wonim na me wo brebebre
mempo beka allocation ho asem se yeti se mukan se omo ano mo stores o KGTia omo be first to be served. And to mean the process in general about allocation process no asem na maker.
Yeah, if I'm talking about even the allocation process, you can't talk about allocation process without over enlighten the public about the validation process. Let's start with the validation process.
Honorable Pacho, wanu fi wakase mu no nti ubetimi position hu ye kakra ma me a. Okay.
All what I said is the time to really discuss about the validation process and the allocation process. That is the process, KGTia, there was a registration by the old government. So when I took office, there was a register on the old document, that is a register. And I came in Ankasa on its own, and so I will register. Me by the first thing, project upon all the problems that we went through. Now, consultant, Emma certificate of completion. The first thing that we did was to form a validation committee. Validation committee, was headed by Nana Amoma Hini. My central market for my rep, and I am a KGTia for my rep, and my unions, that is a transport unions, my rep. Then KMA also have 2 reps. The now was to make sure that a dean registered a woman, Nipano be appear before them, and Nipane ba onfa the papers are all from KMA, and me prove my hunsampa, and the dean kushima a shimo of Papaso. The no exercise was done transparently. And the Babashasi and the name a Kukuni in Alias, ECI. All my woman lawyers and their lawyers can also be there to witness. And the press can also be there 24 hours to also witness. Now, side made a so our cultural center, which is in the central market, the KGTia. If I see KGTia, then that is after the validation and verification exercise. We went and moved into another stage. Stage I call was the exhibition stage. Now, exhibition stage, they say you talk about voters register. You talk about the BMC be a conclusion and sana you prepare the final list. Into the exhibition. Now, exhibition occur there. Yes, sir, move further. Now, the year and say, no, lane by lane. So they all call KGTia, Ombetimamo Hunsevia, you Eli, Anabi, and I say, Ombetimachetos, Eli. Your friend, a group ni leader not at table no be. Not came it to be na a lawyer. Then they also came and verified. And to end the exhibition, MC pin to the public. Ama a exhibition of KGTia. So now we have a register. A bit is a credible register. What we did was to also give it to the internal auditors for them also to go. Now, if we have exhibition, what we did is a new compare. The new KGTiana Yekono, the management and a quite fast way from the old, they say a commodity market. In this opposite top mobile phones, straight away, baby, the whole ni na mobile phones say o dey need general goods general goods force so our specific area and they say inside your group list na ye wie ni ye group no nti ye group wie ne bo members ni na amane ama enura no say what he say yes jumadi bi ase jumadi sha ase ne say enura no ona na wo kigitia first pa no na ye sha ase ma no it mean the allocation shift ni bebre the ma yenya no
okay anything ye bisa say segment of shops bena ma allocate o metimi a share o madwuma say bia ntoma phone ma allocate anase o moton what type commodity segment na sabi o ma share say mo allocation
no the in fact say me paper na manima intimi kan nyina but no an minim say cosmetics for ye de ma wo mu eno an de ma ekoni bebre which offhand I can't mention them all and then anopai say minim say ekura wo de be ma wo mu no be ko general goods for instance and ye de omo de nyina be ma omo anopai na provisions omo so ye de omo de nyina be ma omo. Normally category by category. Yeah,
Honorable, she say you can best send my allocate so far.
In fact, no, it's me a year more than 500.
Okay. Now say no be was store and I can say or eligible say your man allocation people no cut na storm na money si council e ba ne sa payment plan be ho procedure be ho ni pa betimi anya
payment plan e wo ho ye made the number nti se be do now frame better when ma metima chechi ni but abra ye no mo tena se rental values abra ye no mo tena se echechi mo hu se shop no enye one size shop no e more than 11 sizes it be a 20,000 it be a 24,000 it be a 15,000 it be a 7,800 it be musa it be a freight a womb and no nebo no mo go through ni na wi and yes about mode of payment you know and ma wo hu say mode no wa wo sika wo di bitimi edu sika no ababa bitia say ama offer letter wo sika wa e betiro bank edu offer letters ne de mawa bank accounts so until you can go straight away and pay into the bank accounts which we nowadays will pay slip babitra na afi ya start ne no go through the tenancy agreement ne na you know afili ni na but so we ni sika so e enhye ne se bi obi ni sika ni se ni pa krono o ne ye ganu mu ye yankasa as an assembly no ye enhye abra ye ne bank bikasa ya bank ni ditum se ono de se obi ba no ha obi timi aboa na maniska manetua no wachiche mu for 5 years ama nipa no e de 5 years no etua esa bank ne Fidelity Bank ene no mo kan but ye chechiri mu e ma mo mpanifo no hu se enya de a se de eye enhye se bi omo no rate ni de omo ma 23% but so wo so fi se wo bank bi a wa bank ono so bitima ma be ye 19 na ye show bitima kwa kwaji na wo de abre nti eno so no ye ni omo e kan ho asem.
All right, honorable more central market migrate to KJT as an central market she bit me see hono because last week come here demonstration chess car moving into KJT project no was from this almost concerns my factor into
no you know it was a concern a group.
Okay,
it wasn't a market, the general market. It was a market in Ankara. It's made up of 60 associations. Sister associations in ACI and 11 member executives in also ACI. ACI in the church, a normally be brave, my woman who be ana a bono a war. Any no man can pim no amana baby true. In fact, baby ana a bono year 20,004. You know, and there was 40,080 Ghana cedis. And no, and I am in share and member committee in share my own there be. And I did this, name or matlefiache into your mobono, and I say no more being Mawomo. Dear no born, and that is why I didn't penny for Cocata. I am here, say more. I the baby see half or more 8 years. Now, communication didn't go down well. because every year in pennyphone share be an SM pennyphone so sako down na pennyphone any omo members no so ekoko kasa e honi hu say ebinum antimi antiase ama say no assembly no any womo ehihia bebre ama ona woni womo hia nyina no antiase no aba and you know still the exercise is ongoing because now one area be granted every almost and they say maybe no fee say yes 5 years will be renewed it will renew will be losing that may the ownership and I said to say which and then to say my material say came who is a bit so what central market and I know and about be my meso and my ministry will crown and abanoso and Nadia came on my shop I was difficult so the what the Maranon Kwaya Jumadia you don't lose it and Nadia will be lose and one Mrana de Bay. So then the question they were asking us and they say so when you film in some dia at the crown now person say renew. Now I know your mom who said fat experience during the verification and the ecofasa no money in Adiaba because it do say validation and verification. You will say your shops need be free. I could lawyer for some. I didn't try because the you know at the Coco G Bank was here and all the shops in the Koye collateral. Then Emma sa banks no if you say na ye the amount which omodia but no crew when say you can the owner of a market there the owner of a market no KME na wa utimo we are loti I just use the name owner no Sarantino ya no fi say only pan fi say no kwaye wono ani dia nje ma bibri rikoje bosia and ye koye nimu na ye mpese sa de no bebe bi oni ya adwen say ye fa fie no mtuso fie no na sa abra menim na me hu say me na media na me no ontrase na fi me sa renew maun and it is a do na say bio what they me shop no akwa kudi ejinu mu na say akoton kra na ebre no nko intimatimi asase aka ho asem akwa kweti say sebe me ne oti he na DVL wakoton ka ye to ye kai ya itimi ton via 20,000 Ghana cedis itimi to ka 30,000 Ghana cedis afeso a okwa na wako no akwa renew ugo renew a enya dia sebe ya utu eska bi e borsu bi ya na no kra so no your name members in the Asiano, say they want to be part of the process, which we have also agreed. Say the time we do for the renewal, we will let them also be part of the process. They know because we don't want to do it alone. So the shop management in Ankasa, Minister for Local Government, or the SPV in the back, that purpose vehicle. Border of manage the new market here beto no so him utumfo or the assassin my in the rep finance minister ono no kopɛ bosia na de mark here me no MTC bit can be we no there said in the din that so the din won't be because said one no kopɛ bosia de my e wo say ko abanka temu dia bosia na omuko boy in enka abanka wo de ho because canning in the omode omo yibi and on the Diacano ama KME. The central government here and FEPA and say PDT market no one and now get was it was around 260 plus million. But the central government who said the big is asphalt, it is a good idea. Said social services are finding in an KME $202 million. Say maybe a KME and I saw India. They say no. Only the moment I could go into one also in a rep a cardboard no. And they say so KME so we work under local government ministry and the local government also at the rep also by central market for and no omona a dinipa market no more the omo rep buy and KGTR for also the omo rep buy and your car market so a transport and a year juma. Was almost unfriendly Panama, Ibuada, almost so at the Omore. And I came in to a lawyer, so a womb. And then say, Ushemwa, inclusive in an year. This market for only demand, they say, during the process of renewal, they want to be part of it. Already granted, they are part of it, but we will document it. I'm a woman who say, we will, if you ever consult to in everything that we will do.
Honorable, my last question maintenance culture our new KGTR market particularly and that's where Ghana environmental and sanitation in sem say ye fi etwa ye ho nyina ahia me kai wo kra wo ba so as KMA boss na do bia wonam na ye prakrum ne ma be na mo de agu akwam se na be ya kejetia ye nkonya sanitation environmental problems
That in fact we've taken key to that into the NSA ye company ba ko then no assign contract and the okay and say ono na be praho na many dana obehwe no the human say obehwe say company la SSO plan the bia or plana na your company obisu to ono timia and say on the security na ono no obehwe the security and around it in and around the market and inside the whole your company ono the say the marketing in action inside in this market no company no na manage and inside no company no offer security company no offer security service and fumigation there will be idea action inside say nipa na door so and nipa na alcohol in the time intervals we are no say you make sure say you fumigate ho so the be infection be antimi ema ho ye bola ye disi ho they won't say maybe a ball and say if you create me the ball of fever until maybe as one adequate preparation ball and it may be a problem you will or the ball and in inside a man and upida ako until say said the AC division of labor now yet me teacher humana a bebua ama normal na in years a okay pass Abra World Bank we KGTR for the first time renovate KGTR for the first time under President Kufuor. I was the manager then. I managed the place for 1 year, 1.5 years. So that experience is there, which I will bring it to bear on the new one.
Honorable, you better see piano penny wombre, Nyankopon Shao.
That was more because you heard a corner LOF more fast so more boy there at appropriate time no as I say you know multinational KMA no even though we don't have but yes you know there a better was say only can they do it for instance the Ukraine say ya nka ama public na na say plan ya nya there because maybe you are more concerned about the development of the city na ekwana mo fa so aya mo draw your attention to and normal enye no enso ya dia enso ya ne ni so yi because ejuma na ye no ejuma bi o ha se bi o yesu se bi asidi bi ama obi na oye then ejuma no so because kuma ti ho ye so papa se yes one ya na o draw my attention na etu maybe am ni se etu ni pa na o for bridge no so no but maybe I will draw my attention say omo be bia no straight away ma me so no se bi mani ntimi hu be bi nyina ma mitimi frɛ officer me di jumadi national nsano na mitimi kaja egunos nti ebekoso na yada oni kinedu any woman ya something any mpanifo wo ni nyina any the TV crew ni na ebeda masti ewo eduma moni ye edi ye ni so enyame nhyiramo
honorable ye dia ni kumase sa city ye da si piano pay.
Thank you.
Honorable says he be ntwe KMA boss motesi ni din komo for allocation of stores ayesi wo KGTR ye dan ho na ya ba
Hello 101.5 FM